everyone, I am Inasha and today I have something super exciting for all of you. I am standing in front of ProStar SHF 3242 double column machine. So this is one of a kind manufacturer of double column machine in all over India. And I'm sure you guys are super excited to know more about this machine. So let's get started. I will be telling you each and every feature of this one of a kind machine right here. Let me show you first and unique feature of this machine, that is the front sliding door. These doors makes the job of loading and unloading super simple. Machine processor really likes working with this feature because the oversized jobs are made very simple along with enclosed cards. Let's talk about the next feature of this machine, that is this operating platform. So this platform makes your work environment really easy and really free. You can see the size of this platform. It is pretty long, so it will really give you a free work environment during working on this machine. Let me show you all the sliding door. So what the sliding door does is, it makes the job of operator very simple, as he can go inside and inspect and see what is going on, what job is going on. So let me just show you all. Let's go inside. So this is where he can come inside, inspect the job that is going on. It will become very easier for him to operate, very easier to do the job, and he can inspect it as well. So this sliding door makes the job of operator really simple. He can walk in from the sliding door and see the job that is getting done inside, inspect it. So it actually saves his time and makes the job very simple for him to operate. So this operating platform has this special tool place dedicated only for tools. So you can keep your tools here and you don't have to run here and there to actually get your tools. So the operator will have the access of tools throughout his work. It will save his time and energy, and so this is the entire toolkit area that we are giving on operating platform on this machine. So this is the electrical panel. So this is a well-designed electrical panel. In other machines, you won't get it on the machine, but we are providing it to you on the machine. Also, the entire wiring of this electric panel is done in such a way that it follows all the safety standards. So it is very safe and you don't have to worry about anything. All the electrical accessories that has been accomplished here is very, very safe for you to work with. Also, the best part is that it is on the machine and not outside the machine. So it is easily accessible in any cases. So this is high function air conditioning, which helps to maintain the temperature inside the electrical panel and which improves the life of electrical component. This machine provides you with 2 motorized lubrication unit that helps to improve the life of your machine. So this back door is designed in such a way that any long job can be easily accessed by the machine and can be controlled by the machine. So let's talk about our table. This table has been made with high grade FG300 CI casting. Also, we have given ribbings at every 230 mm distance. This machine is designed to take any heavy loads because of its structure. In this table, we have given precision class linear guideways. Instead of 2, we have given 3 precision class linear guideways. Also, the x-axis travel of this table is 4200 mm. Let's talk about cross beam structure of this machine. It has a travel of 3200 mm. Head of this machine has been made in high grade SG600 casting, in which we used 4 linear guideways instead of 2, are with 16 number of blocks, which leads to heavy depth cut and reduced vibrations, which results in excellent machining components. Nitrogen filled accumulators are used as counter cylinder balance for the head, and it helps in head assembly movement to be simple. All the parts of head assembly like drag chain, ball screw, pneumatic cylinders are enclosed and well guarded. This prevents entry of any foreign particles into the parts and increases the health and life of components and parts. This spindle can run up to 6000 RPM without any vibrations using 2-stage gearbox. Also, we have a special oil chiller unit for the spindle, which helps the spindle in cooling the system, and also it helps during high speed drilling operations. This is main bed of the machine, and this is equipped with 3 linear guideways for X-axis travel. These columns are made from high-grade FG300 CI casting with honeycomb structures in wide sizes. So 50% of the width has been extended to keep center of gravity in check. Crossbeam is designed in this Z shape to keep center of gravity as close as possible to crossbeam. Extra wide size of crossbeam gives rigidity as well as robustness. This crossbeam has 2 linear guideways, one on the top side and another one at the bottom front side. This machine has high level of accuracy in positioning and repeatability. Our fixed double column machining center has ranges as X-axis from 1600 mm to 6200 mm, Y-axis from 1500 mm to 4200 mm, and our Z-axis from 600 mm to 1600 mm. For more details about our machine and our contact details, please do visit our website www.prostarcnc.com.